And this week is Safer Internet Day, which is on Tuesday, the 11th of February. And our Form Tutor programme and assemblies are based around that theme. And we'd just like to let our parents and carers and wider community know of the things we're doing in school. So hopefully these conversations and awareness can carry on outside of the school and the classroom. So we go through what Safer Internet Day is about. It is an international event and it has a different theme every year, and this year it has the theme of scams and the very serious theme of sexual extortion online, sometimes referred to as sextortion. So in our assemblies we'll be talking about the signs of a scam, and more importantly, if they have anything within that they think is a scam within a message, and they're not sure, to talk to a trusted adult either in school or at home, so there's an open conversation and awareness rather than either ignoring it or making the error of clicking on links or sharing information that they shouldn't do online. We will go through a wide range of definitions. Money muling is less known, and that's when criminal gangs offer people money in return for a percentage that they retain, and is essentially a way of money laundering. And again, that can seem very tempting and perhaps very innocent, but it is a growing scam that our young people in all communities do need to be aware of. Naturally, we'll go through ways that young people can protect themselves. Strong passwords is an ongoing issue. And we will be talking about two-step verification. With most young people having a smartphone, this is a simple and easy way that they can help protect their various online accounts from scams. In terms of reporting, here you can see some of the places that the young people can report scams to if they feel that that's been a problem, as well as talking to trusted adults either in school or at home. And then in terms of online sexual extortion, as I said, it's often referred to as sextortion, and we will be going through the definitions of what this is, and more importantly reinforce the messages that we have to share on a regular basis around the sharing of nudes and semi-nudes online, because obviously whether that leads to sextortion or any other element of online abuse or embarrassment is something that we want to protect our young children from. And nationally, unfortunately, there are cases of young people somewhat naively sharing nudes or semi-nudes, and then that becoming a big problem for them. So again, although it's a tricky topic, it's something that we do need to keep talking about to make sure that young people make the right decisions on online behaviours. And again, giving young people all the places that they can get support from if they suspect maybe a friend or get into trouble themselves, and that includes using our Speak Out button on the Wood Green website and in the Student Hub, where they can get support with any of these issues. So please continue supporting us into sharing these important messages, and hopefully we can keep our whole Wood Green community safe online. Thank you.